Leaving Watson Lake today, and we're going to pick up a cinnamon roll somewhere, and we think we're going to stop near Tesla, but it's not quite known exactly what we're doing.
We'll know when we get there.
Yes, we will. We decided to make another intro for the video for the Four Nomads. So I go by the name Mike.
I'm Leanne. I'm Dawn.
And I'm Glenn.
And we are
The
Four Nomads.
So this is part 2 of the video. We have part 1 where we travel from our homes up up into Canada. So part 2 is going to be our journey to Alaska through Canada. So follow us, and we'll put up videos as we go. Hope you enjoy it. Comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you. We'll see you on the road. Signpost for us is directly in front of us there. We put our sign up today.
Yeah, I think right up here in a few kilometers, we're going to pass the intersection for the Alaska and the Cassiar highways. It says at mile 1001.6. We're at like 980, 984, somewhere in there.
All right.
Side trip before we go into Whitehorse. I don't think I want to go all the way down to this Atlan.
Is that, do we do that in a truck or we take the RV?
No, I think the RV can go. But possibly just you go off, you hit 8, and then you take 2 back up, and it's just like a little triangle.
Yeah.
Of course, I guess you could do it on the way back.
Well, the North Klondike Highway goes up to Dawson City.
But we could probably do it on the way back even, because it's past Whitehorse, it's south of Whitehorse. So we keep going up the Alaska Highway and then come back, maybe that little highway.
Okay.
Because if we wanted to go down to Skagway, that's how you get to Skagway.
I'd like to go to Skagway.
All right, then let's do that coming back.
Which means we're going to go north at Whitehorse.
Well, you're going to go north anyway. This would have been before.
No, but on the Yukon, but on the Klondike Highway, we're going to go north on Klondike Highway. Oh, we're going across the bridge.
Yeah.
We survived that.
Yes.
Bear.
Bear.
Left side.
Bear on the left. Easy though.
Yeah. Supernatural British Columbia welcomes you.
Caution moose.
Watch for the mooses. So we're back in BC. Back in Yukon Territory. We just left BC. Teslin Tinglet Heritage Center and toured that facility. Nice video to watch. A lot of artifacts in there. It's worth a stop in. $5 per person. We got a wide road here, though.
Now, what do? You want to stop and assess this for a minute? Stop right here. Because I'm not, like, you may can even go around that little section too. And that way you're facing out. Does that sound right?
All right, we could park right here.
I like already heading out.
We could park here.
So what do you think? See, I was going to say go through here, although I wonder what that road does up there. This is where I said to turn in. Parking right here in front of these rocks, that's what I'm saying.
Please. There's campers out there.
It's very crowded in here. Well, they want to talk to a lot of people. How are you going to go, babe?
I'm going to go right here on the right side.
Front part.
What is that over there?
No, it says reduce. Oh, that's the campground. Now we could walk back in there and see what it's like down there.
Or we could just park right over
Or
here.
we just park right here. This guy's got his Starlink up. That's very dangerous back behind you. Really?
That was mile marker 1270. Where is Johnson Crossing? Do you know what mile marker that is?
Like 1296.
Okay, so I've got 26 kilometers. All right, I see something over there. We're 130 kilometers from Whitehorse. Start mile marker 836.
He's parking one of those tractors. So, okay, we thought you might need to.
Stopped at Johnson's Crossing. Got a 2 egg sausage cheese sandwich and got a cinnamon roll. Cinnamon bun. I bought a jacket here. Red plaid jacket. Whitehorse, capital of the Yukon.
We're getting fuel right here.
Going on to the campground. How many miles do we have before we get there?
3.7.
Okay, that's good.
In 1/4 mile, arrive at Ha and Country RV Park on the left.
Did you pay already?
Yeah.
Got an RV wash here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he went into 60, I think. Is that RV wash?
Are we going the right way?
Yeah. You had to go right past this RV wash. So I don't think we can make that turn.
No. So then you got to make a sharp turn right down there. That's where you came in.
Yeah.
Unhook and back in.
I think we'll have to. I may go down there and wash the RV before I park. Let's take the truck off. Leanne, just come around in front of the RV, would you? I was able to power wash the RV and the pickup truck, and they desperately needed a wash down. We were only in Whitehorse for one night. I don't have much footage of the downtown area, but the visitor center is spectacular. A couple of blocks away from the visitor center is the Miner's Daughter Dirty Northern Restaurant Pub. We had a hamburger there, and it was delicious.